Hello, welcome to Chemistry Past Questions and Answers Theory 2018. Question number 1 HI. Stage 2 Industrial Uses of alkyl alkanoids. Roman figure 2. Name 2 steps involved in crystallization of salt from its solution. Now, to the answers to the questions. Alkyl alkanoids, that is ethyl ethanoids, are commonly used as solvents and other esters for cellulose nitrates and quick drying substances like paints, nails, varnices, and adhesive. Therefore, industrially, alkyl alkanoids are used as number 1, production of soap. Number 2, they are used as solvents for productions of paints, nail, and varnishes, etc. Then question Roman figure 2. Name 2 steps involved in the crystallization of salts from its solution. Number 1, there are 2 steps involved in crystallization of salt from its solution. Number 1, heating of solution, but not strong heat as it may decompose the salt. B, cooling of the solution so as to recover the salt back. So the 2 steps involved are number 1, heating of solution but not strong heat as it may decompose the salt. Number 2, cooling of the solution. Now let's see the answer as it is written here. One H from figure 1. Alkyl alkanoids. Alkyl alkanoids, that is ethyl ethanoids, are commonly used as solvents and other esters for cellulose nitrates and quick drying substance like paints, varnishes, and adhesive. So industrially, alkyl alkanoid is used as number 1, production of soap. Number 2, it is used as solvents, for production of nail varnishes, paints, adhesive, and so on. Then question number 1 H from figure 2. We have to name 2 steps involved in the crystallization of salts. And the 2 steps are number 1, heating of solution. So by heating solution, we are trying to remove the water Then this eating must not be strong heat, but does not be strong heat, so as not to decompose the salt. To decompose the salt. Then number 2 steps is cooling of solution. So by cooling the solution, we are trying to remove the salt. If you like this piece, click like and subscribe. God bless you.